How AI chatbots are revolutionizing AC repair diagnosis. AI chatbots are changing the game for AC repair, making diagnostics faster, easier, and more accessible than ever before. Here's how these virtual assistants are transforming the industry. Instant troubleshooting. AI chatbots guide homeowners through common AC issues, such as identifying a clogged filter or resetting a trip breaker without needing professional intervention. 24/7 availability. Unlike traditional customer service, chatbots are always online, whether it's a late-night cooling emergency or maintenance questions. Accurate diagnoses. By gathering details about symptoms like strange noises or uneven cooling, AI chatbots can pinpoint likely issues and recommend next steps, saving time for homeowners. Cost savings. With faster problem solving, they reduce the need for unnecessary service calls, cutting costs for homeowners.